Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how this is so simple, but I'm going to show you a few tools. We're going to use the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to change it, but I've made this a clone. So look what it's doing. It's changing it all. So we could actually make this black kind of like go into infinity, and we could do the same thing here. We could change the complete different look of this thing. So it's more than just making the shape. I'm going to show you how to clone it. So I'm going to draw a rectangle or a square, hit P. I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. Then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down this Shift key, I'm going to bring it in. Then I'm going to take a 2-point line and I'm going to hit P. Then I'm going to take a rectangle and I'm going to start it right there and go down. And then I can actually move it up and stretch it, but I want it on that point. So now I'm going to take and I'm going to unlock my ratio here, and I'm going to type in 2 inches on that corner and 2 inches on that corner. I get a round object. So now all I'm going to do is delete that line. At this time, I'm going to Control G to group it because I want to move it out of the way. So I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to go ahead and stay with that. You know what? I'm going to do it in orange this time and fill those in. And because this is a group, I can nudge it out of the way. I don't really like it because my little line's thicker than my rectangle line, but it's fine. And we could always change that. Now what I want to do is I'm going to bring in indexing lines in the center of the page. And I'm going to take this top one and I'm going to get the interactive fill tool, but I'm going to put a black on both ends. And then I'm going to put that orange back in the middle. So that's going to turn it all black. Now I'm going to get that orange and put it in the middle, and it kind of looks like a, the blue actually looks better, but this will work in this case. You know what? I really like that blue. We can make that blue and then bring our black in a little bit. We'll go ahead and we'll leave that like it is right now, get the interactive fill tool, but we're going to do the exact same thing on this. So I'm going to put black on both ends. And what I think it's doing is making a kind of like a shadow effect. And you could play with your slide bar and get it any direction you want. I really don't like that it's the same. Now, I'm going to clone these two pieces individually. So I'm going to go to Edit and Clone. Now that's a copy of it. So I'm going to alternate C to make it rotate from the center. And I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. I'm going to do these separately. Control D, Control D. Now I'm going to go to take this piece, go up to Edit and Clone, Control or alternate C to put it in the center, and rotate it 90 degrees, and then Control D, Control D. Then what's so really kind of cool about this, let me take away my indexing lines, because this thing is kind of like a clone, I can get my interactive fill tool and I can change one and it's going to change them all. I mean, look at that. Make it look like it's going into infinity. And even here, you could take it out and bring in the black, and it makes it look like it's kind of going into the darkness. Same thing here. You can do the same thing. You could spin this around and the clone will change all of them. That actually looked pretty good. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.